What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. It is super late right now. It's like 6 o'clock p.m. I never start videos this late. Right now, I have to update you guys on something. When I was in LA, one of my homies up in Spokane where I live hit me up. He's like, bro, I have a Vars diffuser, Vars carbon fiber diffuser that you can buy. I'm like, hell yeah, it's the exact diffuser I've been looking for forever. It's for the Evo 10. I was like, yeah, of course I'll buy it. And then he goes, I have a Tomei titanium exhaust system for the Evo as well. Do you want it? I'm like, yes. Let me buy both of those off you like immediately. So I just got back last night. He's coming right now to drop both of those off because, as you guys know, my Evo is down. It'll be fixed soon. But yeah, maybe I'll show you his car. It should be pretty dope. As long as he's taking the Evo, could not be more stoked. I'll see you guys in a minute. So before the homie gets here with all the Evo parts, I kind of want to talk about everything that has happened on the FRS when I went to California. So I put a total of 3,900 miles on the car somehow. Don't really know how, but that's a bunch of miles. And let me show you guys all the damage. There's not really a lot of damage. Just let me show you guys what all happened in the car. So the first thing, this wide body panel keeps popping out. So one of the weld nuts back here, I need to replace. The fender right there is cracked, and right there, and right there. It's from the diffuser hitting the ground, and when it hits, it pops it up like that. The vinyl on this side's now torn as well. If you guys remember back when this side got destroyed, it cracked the fender right there, destroyed that vinyl. So either way, I think I'm gonna number one, ditch the diffuser, go with something better, different, one that doesn't hang down. Maybe a Rocket Bunny V2. I could do an APR, or I could do a rally backer diffuser. So we have all those issues to fix. And then if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my grill does not stand. Thankfully I zip tied it, so I still have the grill, but every time I'd go to do a photo shoot, I'd have to put the grill back in. And as you can see, there's a shit ton of bugs on the front end. So definitely need to get this thing washed tonight. Other than that, guys, she did really good. Now, if you saw my video a few days ago when it said my FRS broke down 1,500 miles away from home, you'd have known that one of my speed sensors fell out of the hub. So I had to replace that. That was the only major issue I had on the car. I know a lot of you guys are wondering how long vinyl wrap lasts. And I think one of the big secrets to keeping vinyl wrap looking good and lasting is keeping it clean. So I definitely need to get this vinyl wrap washed, cleaned, and just looking good again, because there's so many bugs in the car, and if you leave stuff on the vinyl wrap for a long period of time, it will definitely stain the vinyl wrap. The homie has arrived. Damn, this thing's looking so fresh. What up, bro? So my homie just came and dropped off the parts. This is actually a legit Vars diffuser and Tomei exhaust. It's so freaking nice, and I got such a good deal on it. That's the advantage of having homies that will hook you up, because check out this beautiful diffuser. Here's the diffuser. It's cut out for the exhaust already, so I'm going to run the Tomei exhaust, or Tomei. How do you say it? Tomei or Tomei? I don't freaking know. But this is an actual legit Vars diffuser. I am so freaking stoked. This is my dream diffuser for this car, and I cannot be more freaking excited. I don't think I'll be putting these parts on the car until after the clutch issue is fixed, but definitely stay tuned for these install tutorials. They're gonna be so epic. All right, so I totally and 100%ly, is that even a word, was gonna go wash the FRS to get all those bugs off. And then I look outside and all that is happening. So it's not gonna happen tonight. I'm gonna wake up super early tomorrow when it's still cool out, get the thing all washed up. Alright guys, I think the topic of today's video, the takeaway from today's video is going to be whether or not Camber wears tires. So I know it's a very debated topic, especially with stance stout cars, pretty much the only cars that are running Camber. So right now, I have about 4,500 miles-ish on these tires on the front. Actually no, about 4,000 miles with this Camber. I am running about 5 degrees, 4.5 to 5.5 degrees, somewhere in that range on the front of this car. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna air it up all the way, turn the wheels, and we can take a look at the inside of the tire, and I'll show you guys why Camber does not wear tires. So as you guys can see, there is even tread right here, here, all on the tire. I'm running about, like I said, about 4.5, 5 degrees of camber on the front wheels. The rears, there's about 3 degrees when I air out, but when I air up, there's maybe a half a degree or a degree. So no sense in showing you the rears because there's no camber anyway. I am sticking to the fronts because when you air out, there's the same amount of camber as when you air up. It's just how the suspension is designed on this car. So I know everybody wonders whether or not camber wears tires. The answer is kind of. If you're gonna run a lot of camber, like 10 degrees, of course it's gonna wear the tire because that's the only part of the tire that's gonna be on the ground is the inside of the tire. The main thing that wears tires, guys, I need you to know this. The only thing, or the main thing that's gonna wear your tires is improper toe. So say you camber out your car to make it look sick as hell or whatever, and you don't get alignment, every time you adjust your camber, it's gonna adjust your toe. If you adjust your camber and you don't fix your toe, it's gonna destroy your tires. Remember that every time you adjust your camber, make sure you fix your toe, zero it out, because in the long run, the toe is gonna be what is gonna destroy your tires, not your camber. This is only for like cars that are cambered up to like 4 or 5 degrees, like this car. If you're, like I said, if you're running an excessive amount of camber, of course it's gonna wear your tires over time. So I really hope I answered your questions about camber wear. I put 4,000 miles on this car on the trip to California, and if my tires were gonna be worn from camber at all, it definitely happened within 4,000 miles. Anyways, I know this is kind of a random vlog. We had FRS stuff, we had Evo stuff, we had road trip stuff, we had a bunch of stuff packed into one vlog. But the main takeaway is whether or not camber wears tires. Really hope I answered that question for you guys. If you have any other questions or comments, drop them down in the comment section below. I can always get back to you guys, or if it's a very requested topic, I will make a separate video for it. Really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next up, we are going to be working on the Evo finally. The car back there, the white car, the Evo 10. So what we're going to be doing is dropping the tranny, fixing the whole clutch issue, and then we can move on to make it some big power. We can wrap it, we can get the exhaust on, we can get the diffuser on, APR wing on, APR grill on. We got so much insane, exciting content coming for that car. This thing on the other hand, I'm gonna have to fix the wrap on the bumper. I want to get a different diffuser, guys. I know this is my 3rd diffuser I've been through already, but I want to get something else, something that doesn't hang so low on the edges so I don't keep destroying this vinyl wrap on the bumper. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video right here. Really hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know it's a little different, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down in the comment section below by commenting hashtag, let's do hashtag camber. If you made it to the end of the video, comment hashtag camber. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.